Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the Nothing Ear have enough battery and your laptop Bluetooth is ready. This reduces interruptions during pairing. Once done, close other paired devices or audio apps so the laptop discovers the earbuds quickly. Press and hold the earbud touch stem for about 4 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode and broadcasts the device name. Make sure the laptop's Bluetooth panel stays visible, so you can immediately choose the device in the next step. Open Bluetooth Add Device on your laptop and watch the list. You'll typically see Nothing Ear appear within a few seconds because it's actively advertising. Select it to pair, and if a PIN appears, accept it or try 0000. Most earbuds use a simple code. Once paired, go to Sound Settings and choose the earbuds as the default output so system audio routes correctly. If you need higher quality audio, make sure the laptop supports the preferred codec and select it where available. Finish by playing audio and testing the mic in a quick call or recording so you verify both input and output work. Adjust volume and balance if needed. If you expect firmware-specific features, update the earbuds through the Nothing app on a phone before reconnecting to the laptop, because firmware updates fix many stability issues. If pairing still fails, reset the earbuds, remove the laptop from Bluetooth devices, restart laptop Bluetooth, and repair. This clears stale profiles and usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.